Assalamualaikum students. How are you all? Hopefully all of you are fine and enjoy your vacations. So students, let's move to our today's lecture, which is about force and motion. What is meant by force and what is meant by motion? So students, are you ready? Let's begin.
Hey kids! In today's video, we will be learning about force and motion. Are you ready? Let's begin. What is force? Force is a push or a...
Force is a push or pull that can cause an object to move or change the direction. फोर्स किसको कहते हैं? हम किसी भी पुश करने को या किसी भी चीज को पुल करने को और उसकी डायरेक्शन भी हम चेंज कर दें. So these are an example of forces.
Pull that can cause an object to move or change direction. Here's an example of force. Opening and closing a door.
Opening and closing the door. For open door or close the door, we use force.
You apply force to twist the doorknob. You then apply force to pull the doorknob. And finally, you apply force to pull or push the doorknob to close the door. What is motion?
So students, we have learned about force and now it's motion. Motion means
Motion is the
movement.
movement of an object from one place to another.
Motion is the movement of an object from one place to another. Motion हम किसको कहते हैं? हरकत को कहते हैं किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर.
Here's an example of motion. Try rolling a ball across the floor and observe how it moves.
So this is an example of motion.
What is speed? Speed is how fast an object is moving.
Speed is how fast an object is
Here's an
moving.
example of speed. Time how long it takes for you to run a certain distance. And then calculate your speed using the formula.
So students, this is an example of speed. Time, how long it takes for you to run a certain distance. हमने टाइम को जो है वो मेजर करना है and then calculate your speed using the formula distance time. And then हम स्पीड को मेजर करते हैं डिस्टेंस टाइम फॉर्मूले को
Distance divided by time. What is gravity?
What is gravity?
Gravity is the force that pulls objects towards the center of the earth.
So gravity is the force that pulls object towards the center of earth. All the things from upper side are taken to the ground or earth.
Here's a great example as to how to observe gravity. Try dropping objects of different weights from a height and observe how they fall. What is friction? Friction is the force that opposes motion when two surfaces rub against each other. Here's a great way to observe friction. Try rubbing your hands together.
So student, this is an example of friction. Rubbing your hands together, so we produce friction.
The longer you rub your hands together, you'll begin to feel a heat generated by friction. Now here are fun facts about force and motion. A force is a push or pull that can make things move or change direction.
So students, this is our lecture about force and motion. Hopefully you will understand this lecture and prepare it, learn it and write it in your workbook. Okay students, take care of yourself. Allah